Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red croissants. First, combine your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and yeast. Then, gradually add warm milk and a touch of red food coloring to achieve that vibrant hue. Knead the dough for about 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rest in a warm spot until it doubles in size, usually for 1 hour. Now, for the signature flakiness, we'll laminate the dough. Roll your dough into a rectangle and place a cold butter block in the center. Fold the dough over the butter, sealing it completely. Perform 3 turns, chilling the dough for 30 minutes between each turn. This process creates those beautiful, distinct layers and ensures a rich, buttery flavor. Once laminated, roll your dough to about 1/4 of an inch thick. Cut it into triangles roughly 3–5 inches wide at the base. Gently roll each triangle from the wide end towards the tip, forming that classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet, giving them plenty of space. Proof them in a warm, humid spot for about 2 hours until they look puffy. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush your proofed croissants with a simple egg wash for a beautiful golden sheen. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are wonderfully golden brown and incredibly flaky. Let them cool slightly on a wire rack before you bite into your delicious, homemade red croissants. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.